Handsman ready. Fence ready. Salute. Fence. Hold. Point red. Fence ready. Fence. Hold. We're gonna call point red. Fence ready. Fence. Hold. I stop it, but I think there was not enough flexion. I'm not going to call it point. So no points. Fence ready. Fence.
All right, table ready.
Hold.
I saw blue.
I
Yeah.
only saw here one from blue. Point blue.
Right.
Fence ready. Fence. Hold.
Okay, time ready.
I kind of saw blue.
Line's ready. Fence is
We're
ready.
going to call this a double.
Salute.
Fence ready.
And fence.
Fence. Hold. Sorry. Good enough. Fence ready. Fence.
Hold.
30 seconds.
Hold.
Points to blue.
Fence
Fence is ready. And fence.
ready. Fence.
Hold.
Hold.
Points to red.
I'm going to call this a double.
Fence is ready. And fence.
Fence ready. Fence.
Hold.
Hold.
This arm points to blue.
Point. Red.
Red got a point previously, so
Fence ready. Fence.
okay.
Hold.
Right. Fence is ready.
I'm going to call it a double.
And fence. Stop.
Fence ready.
Hold.
Fence.
Offside.
10 seconds.
Point. Very nice. Red.
Fence is ready.
Fence
And
ready.
fence.
Fence. Hold.
Hold.
Okay, point. Red.
Point blue.
Kesha, I don't think yours was inside.
Double.
I checked my eyes. Point red.
I felt I was
Fence
I
ready.
felt you struck as well.
Fence.
Double. Fence is ready. And fence.
time.
Yeah.
Point red and match red.
Hold. Point red.
So we have 2 fights left.
Fence is ready.